Today we are unboxing and testing out the ZINUS memory foam mattress. Now keep in mind that this one is the twin-sized 5-inch cooling mattress that I'm getting for my daughter, so I am giving it to her. And we're going to see how she likes it at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around for that. Out of the box, this mattress weighs 18.5 pounds and it has a medium level of firmness to it. We'll check that out later too. Now what makes this mattress special is that it's topped with a breathable, cooling, airflow memory foam. Great for staying cool at night. You get a 10-year warranty on this and it takes almost no time to actually expand. For me, it took actually less than 2 hours to take its full shape. So I'm gonna take a little test of it myself first. I really like it. I don't need a gigantic 10-inch mattress like some people do. This feels really good on the back, on the belly, on the hips too. It's a nice mattress. Don't be put off that it's only 5 inches thick, because look how well it handles pressure here. It's nice and squishy, but it also has that medium firmness, so it's not gonna flatten out on you when you put your body weight on it. And I covered this mattress with this sheet set right here. She really likes this, especially for the comfort and the color of it, of course. And I decided to let my daughter have a little test on it, so I got a little video of her here. You can see how she's just kind of fading away and enjoying this. You can see that she just loves it already the first time.